Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world right now. Welcome back. This is day 3 of the English Fluency Challenge, and I am so glad you are here.
Okay, day 3. I made it. I actually made it to day 3.
You say that like it was hard, Paul.
It kind of was. I stayed up until midnight last night watching videos on my phone, and I almost did not wake up in time to record this.
I am not surprised. You always do this.
Every single time. My phone is a trap. A beautiful, glowing trap.
And I am sure many of you watching right now know exactly what that feels like. You open your phone for just 5 minutes, and suddenly it is 1 a.m.
Yes, that is the experience. That is life.
Before we dive into today's lesson, if this is your first time here, or even if you have been here since day 1, please take 2 seconds and hit the subscribe button right now. This channel is called Dear English Podcast, and every single day of this challenge, we bring you a real, natural English conversation that is perfect for beginners. Click like as well. It helps more people find us. Okay, let us begin.
So, Emily, what are we talking about today?
Today on day 3, we are talking about describing your feelings. Simple everyday feelings. How you feel in the morning, how you feel after eating, how you feel when something good or bad happens.
Oh, feelings. I have many feelings.
Yes, you do. And today, we are going to give those feelings the right English words.
Okay, I am ready. Let us go.
All right. So, Paul, how did you feel this morning when you woke up?
I felt heavy.
Heavy. Good word. Tell me more.
You know that feeling when your body just does not want to move? Like every part of you is made of concrete?
Yes, I know exactly that feeling. And in English, we have a perfect phrase for this. We say, I feel groggy.
Groggy. I feel groggy.
Groggy means you are awake, but your brain is still sleepy. You cannot think clearly. You are slow. You are confused. That is groggy.
Oh, that is exactly what I felt this morning.
I was groggy. My brain was groggy. Perfect. Say it one more time for our students.
I woke up this morning and I felt groggy. My body was heavy and my brain was slow. I was very, very groggy.
Transitioning now, Paul, you felt groggy. What happened after you had your coffee?
Oh, everything changed. After my coffee, I felt awake, alert, like a new person.
There is a great English phrase for that. We say, I felt more alert.
Alert. I felt more alert.
Alert means your brain is working. You are focused. You notice things. You are ready. Alert is the opposite of groggy.
So coffee turned me from groggy to alert? Coffee is a miracle.
I do not recommend depending on coffee, but yes, in English, we say coffee makes you feel alert.
No coffee? Still groggy.
Coffee? Alert. This is my life. Wonderful. 2 words so far. Groggy and alert. Can you remember them?
Say it with us.
Groggy, alert. Groggy, alert. Excellent. Now let us keep going, because there are more feelings we need to cover today. New section. So I want to tell you a short story. This happened to Paul last week. Paul, can I share this?
Yes, fine. Go ahead.
Last Thursday, Paul had a very important meeting at work, a video call with his whole team. He prepared everything the night before. His notes were ready, his background looked good, he was ready.
So far, this sounds like a success story.
But when the meeting started, he realized he forgot to eat breakfast.
Oh, the hunger. Do not remind me.
By the time the meeting ended, Paul felt what we call drained. Drained.
Drained. Yes, I felt so drained.
Drained means you have no energy left, like a phone battery at 1%. Empty, exhausted, finished, drained.
It is a great word. After that meeting, with no food and a lot of talking, I was completely drained.
And what did you do after?
Immediately, I ate a very large lunch. Very large. And then I felt better.
And after that big lunch, you probably felt what?
Full? Tired?
We actually say satisfied. I feel satisfied.
Satisfied. Oh, I like that word. It sounds exactly how it feels.
Satisfied means you have enough. You are happy. You are content. Not too much, not too little. Satisfied.
After a big, delicious lunch, I felt satisfied. Remember that word.
Progressing. Great. So now we have 4 feelings words. Groggy, alert, drained, and satisfied. Let us talk about one more feeling. And this one is my favorite.
What is it?
Grateful.
Grateful. That is a beautiful word.
Grateful means you feel thankful. Something good happened or someone helped you and your heart feels warm. You feel grateful.
For example, every morning I feel grateful for my coffee, even if it makes me dependent on it.
Oh, Paul.
I am joking, but seriously, I also feel grateful for this challenge, for our students who show up every day.
Yes, we feel very grateful that you are here, watching this video, practicing your English every day. That takes effort. And we see you.
Day 1, day 2, and now day 3. You are doing amazing.
Transitioning to review. Okay, it is time for our review. Let us go through today's vocabulary one more time. Are you ready?
Ready. I am alert and not groggy. Let us do it.
Perfect. Okay, word number 1.
Groggy. G-R-O-G-G-Y. Groggy. You feel groggy when you just woke up and your brain is still slow and sleepy.
Number 2. Alert. You feel alert when your brain is awake, focused, and ready. Alert is the opposite of groggy. Number 3. Drained. You feel drained when you have no energy left. Empty, exhausted, like a phone battery at 0%. Number 4. Satisfied. You feel satisfied when you have enough. You are content. You are happy. Not too much, not too little. Number 5. Grateful. You feel grateful when you are thankful. Something good happened and your heart feels warm. Wrapping up. 5 words. Groggy, alert, drained, satisfied, and grateful. Say them again with Paul. Groggy, alert, drained, satisfied, grateful. Beautiful. Write those down in your notebook. Say them out loud. Use them today. These are real words that real people use every day in English. Warm outro. And that brings us to the end of day 3. You are doing so well. Every day that you show up, your English gets a little stronger, a little more natural, a little more confident. We are so proud of you. Day 3 finished. Completed. Done. If you are enjoying this challenge, please subscribe to Dear English Podcast so you do not miss day 4 tomorrow. And hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it helps so many other people find this challenge. And now, the question of the day. This is your homework. It is very simple. Go to the comments below and write 1 sentence using one of today's words. You can use this template. Today I feel blank because blank. For example, Today I feel grateful because I finished day 3 of the English Fluency Challenge. We read every single comment. We love seeing your sentences, so go write yours right now. Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow for day 4. Take care of yourself, keep practicing, and remember, every word you learn today is one more step toward the English speaker you want to be. Bye for now. Oh, and drink some water, not just coffee. Okay, bye. Goodbye, Paul.